Hi, so I thought I'd give you a quick demo of how to factory reset a RUCKUS AP. And I've got a few different models, and so each model might be slightly different, but in most cases it's pretty obvious. So first we'll start with the H510, or could be a 550 or a 350, but they're going to have a reset on the side, right? Hard and soft. And so the outdoor APs, this is a T310, for example, but if you can see it, you'll see a reset button right there beside the Ethernet port. So a little bit harder to get to, but it has to stay waterproof, of course, so it has to be within that cover. And then lastly, most of the internal APs, if not all, have a recessed reset button. And usually, so it's labeled reset here, it's gonna almost always be labeled, and then there's a hole there. So your AP may have come with a reset tool, but if not, don't fret. All you need is a old-fashioned paper clip here. So basically, all we're gonna do is take that paper clip, insert it into that reset, and hold it for 8 seconds. And then you'll start to see that the power LED flash multiple colors. So after your 8 seconds, you're gonna just release that button, let it reboot, and it will come up in factory, right? And so a better example of that is, we'll see that this AP here actually has its radios on. So it's connected to cloud at the moment. It's got both radios on. No one's connected to the radios because they're orange, of course. But I'm gonna do that same thing, hold the factory reset for 8 seconds, and then we'll see how that changes. So hold that. Let go. And as soon as that boots, we should see it come up in factory default. And we'll know it's factory defaulted because the radios won't come on, and the power light will be on, but the controller light will be flashing. And you'll see that exact same thing on the H510 here. The power light's on solid, and the green is flashing for control. So it's in factory reset, ready to be configured or added to cloud, or configured for unleashed, depending on the firmware that's on that AP. You'll see that the R650 is still booting, so that just takes a second here. It's almost up. So power light's on and control light is flashing. So ready to be configured and back to factory reset. And that's what we want to see. Okay, so easy as that. Obviously, if you can get to SSH, or you can get to the command line, or even if you can get to the GUI, you could probably reset it that way. But in a lot of cases, you have lost the login, or you need to hard reset it for any reason. This is the way to do it. All right. So thanks, and we'll talk to you next time.